guys, welcome again in my new video. Today I'm in Rome and we're going to the concert in the Vatican. This is my outfit. It's a jumpsuit. Yeah, it's a jumpsuit with tennis shoes and this Louis Vuitton bag. And this is my makeup. Yeah, because the concert will be until late. And there will be like a Bocelli singer and a lot of Pharrell Williams and other American singers. See you there. I will tell you the name of the concert because I don't remember now. Bye bye. Guys, it's impossible to enter. Look at the people for the concert. Oh my gosh. Guys, look what a beautiful atmosphere tonight. There is a lot of people crowd to see Mr. Bocelli, Pharrell Williams and all the singers. Guys, we have in the concert about the peace. What do you think about? Marvelous. Yeah, look, beautiful. And you, Sabrina, what do you think about this event?
Fabulous, Rome.
Yeah. We have Andrea Bocelli now. So beautiful. Jesus. Oddio che bello. Virgin Mary with Jesus. These are drums, eh? Beautiful atmosphere. St. Peter's Square. Now there is Father William.
Stand here in this holy place with my fellow artists, world leaders, and all of these beautiful souls. My humble
this is the monument of people fallen during the war, and we try to enter and to see all the view from inside. Look, so beautiful. This monument was built during the fascism, and regarding the people that died to fight for the Second World War, after the Second World War. This is inside the monument. Now we are taking the lift because there are a lot of steps. Now we are on the top. Look, so beautiful. Yeah, looks so beautiful here. Never been here, despite I live in my youth a lot of years in Rome. Look all the marble on the floor. And now let's see the view. And here, look the view with the Italian flag to remember our deaths. Guardate che bellezza, what a beautiful, look there. You can see Rome and the beauty of Rome. Here we are in the lift. Oh, look what a beauty, we are on the top of the monument. There is a big view from Rome, like Via del Corso. Oh my gosh, look what a beauty for the monument. Yeah. This is the Roman Forum, Foro Romano. Look what, and the Colosseum, guys. That's Rome, so beautiful. This is the Campidoglio, when there is the mayor of Rome. Yeah, the place of mayor of Rome. There are the works. This is the Vittoriano, when we can see all the street of Rome, displaying how Rome is. Under the view, this road, the main road is Via del Corso, and we go there in the center of Rome. E via Condotti, via Frattina. Of the victory. Questa è la vittoria, no? Other side, no? From here we go down and we see the other one. It's beautiful. Look at this place, so beautiful. The name is Singita, it's in Fregene near Rome. Wow. You can see the sunset. Look, the sunset, so beautiful.